a campaign to help every child reach 5. And we're very pleased to have the Indian actor and Help a Child Reach 5 advocate, Kajol, with us to get us started today. Please welcome Kajol.
Thank you so much, Rob, for that. I have this whole speech written down, and I'm really bad at it, so please excuse my fumbling, mumbling. But I saw a film recently, a little film which somebody showed me, and I couldn't believe it. I was shocked. I was saddened. I was upset. But mostly, I was motivated. I was motivated to stand up and say that, this is not done, and I want to do something about this. So here's that little piece of motivation that I saw.
பொழுதொரு வண்ணம் என் மகன் வளருகிறான் உள்ளங்களிலே இன்பம் பெருகிட மனதில் நிறைகின்றான் தாயும் தந்தையும் விரும்புவதெல்லாம் ஒன்னேதானுங்க ஐயா ஒன்னேதானுங்க கண்ணுக்கு கண்ணான தான் பெத்த பிள்ளை துள்ளி விளையாடியே மனதை மகிழச் செய்யணுங்க தெய்வம் தந்த செல்வமையா நான் பெற்ற செல்வமையா ஆரோக்கியமும் அறிவும் பெற்று வளர்ந்துட்டானையா மனம் மகிழ்ந்தோமையா நாமே மனம் மகிழ்ந்தோமையா இந்த மகிழ்ச்சியின் வேதனை எதுவும் மறந்திடும் ஐயா ஐயா நாளொரு மேனியும் பொழுதொரு வண்ணம் என் மகன் வளருகிறான் உள்ளங்களிலே இன்பம் பெருகிட மனதில் நிறைகின்றான்
मेरा बच्चा 5 साल का हो गया।
इतना सब 5 साल में कौन सी बड़ी बात है?
बड़ी बात है मैडम, ये गुंडापा का पहला बच्चा है जो 5 साल की उम्र तक पहुंचा है।
क्या?
So that was basically what I saw. And when I saw it, I was, I don't know, as a mother, I think the worst thing that you can ever curse a person with is to lose your child. And when you think about something that you could have prevented at any point, I think that's the worst thing that's the worst feeling that you can ever have, that you could have prevented. You could have done something about it and you didn't. And that's the kind of guilt that you live with all your life. And I would never want anybody to be cursed with that. Help a Child Reach 5 is is a movement that we've started in India. And we want to spread it out, and we want people to hear about that we want every child to reach the age of 5. It shouldn't be only about, I mean, there are lots of things that we can't control. There are lots of, there are earthquakes, there are tsunamis, there are lots of natural disasters that we cannot do anything about. But when you think about the statistics that you have in front of you, that the children die of diarrhea and pneumonia every day. One child every 15 seconds dies due to just diarrhea and pneumonia. Things that we can control, things that we can prevent. If we just simply spread this message of, washing your hands, just hygiene, keep it clean, I think that would make such a huge difference. And if I save even one life today of one child, I think we will have made a fabulous, fabulous difference. I think our mission is successful. Lifebuoy has adopted a village in Madhya Pradesh in India, which is, it has got the highest rate of child mortality in India. And they have worked at it over there to teach each and every child to wash their hands with soap, and taught them the meaning of what it does for you and how it changes your life. And yes, it's not going to change your life in one day, but it is going to change your life eventually. And there's this little boy over there called Mayank, and he's wonderful because he came up and he was like, he's the ambassador of hand washing for Tesgora. I thought it was wonderful. And he came up to me and he was like, he talked about how important hand washing was to him. And when you look at him, you know for a fact that what we have done is we have taught one child how important hand washing is. And because that child has learnt it in school and knows the reason why it's so important, he's going to grow up, he's going to teach his kids, and he's going to make this cycle of health. And it's going to continue and it's going to grow. And that state, hopefully that village, will never be the same again. The rate will come down. The child mortality rate in that village especially will come down because of this one particular thing, just a simple, cost-effective measure to saving a child's life, just by simply washing your hands with soap. And, I just thought it was so silly. It was just so silly that we had children dying because we just didn't have people didn't know people didn't know that they should have proper hygiene in place, and that they should, wash their hands, and they were able to teach this to other people as well. It's not only about you, it's about spreading the message, it's about telling everybody around you how important it is, from the smallest person to the biggest person. And I urge I know this is the UN week, and it's a wonderful place to be in right now. And I want to urge all the policymakers that hand washing is, to my way of thinking, small, but yes, the most effective and first step in basic hygiene. And therefore, I think it should be definitely included in, even in the post-2015 agenda, as well as now, today. I think it's a message that we need to spread, that we need to include in each and every agenda that we have, for that matter. It affects everything. It's not only one small thing by itself. It definitely affects everything that we have, all the Millennium Development Goals, in fact. It affects everything. So I think we definitely should be, focusing on it, and it's a small but little habit that we should change in ourselves. And I would really like it if all of you all could just go out there and spread the message. Lifebuoy will contribute as much as you contribute. And, as many YouTube videos as you share, Lifebuoy will contribute for that as well. So it's a small but really strong and powerful message. And I really hope all of you all can, spread it with me. Just to give you somebody told me this line yesterday, and I couldn't get it out of my head, actually. I had tears in my eyes at the end of it. Imagine the scope of 2 million children dying every year. But it's a statistic that you don't really understand. But imagine 40 Boeing 747s filled with children crashing day after day. That's what you're looking at. And that's where we are headed with this. We want to stop that. that's the step that we want to take and stop. So, as far as I'm concerned, yes, I've taken a step. As a celebrity and as a mother, I have taken a step to prove that, yes, I want to do something about this, which is why I'm standing here today. But also, we've also made a video for it, which also I would like to share with you.
हम अपने बच्चों से इतना प्यार करते हैं कि कुछ भी, एक खरोच भी आ जाती है, एक छींक भी आ जाती है कहीं पे, तो ऐसा लगता है कि ओ माय गॉड, क्या क्या हो गया. अब मैं डॉक्टर को फोन करती हूँ कभी-कभी और डॉक्टर मुझे कहता है कि नहीं, यू नो, it's okay, he's just got diarrhea, he's just got loose motions, and I'm like, it's only diarrhea, but it's not only diarrhea. मैंने रिसेंटली एक वीडियो देखा YouTube पे, गुंडप्पा की कहानी.
ये गुंडप्पा का पहला बच्चा है जो 5 साल की उम्र तक पहुंचा है.
गुंडप्पा ने अपने बच्चे गंवा दिए just because of diarrhea. It's stupid, it's silly. इसका ये क्या है? इसका what is the answer to this problem? इसका जवाब यही है कि आपको सिर्फ एक छोटी सी आदत बदलनी है. सिर्फ खाने से पहले हाथ साबुन से धोइए और बाथरूम जाने के बाद हाथ साबुन से धोइए. YouTube पर टाइप कीजिए हेल्प अ चाइल्ड रीच 5. गुंडप्पा की कहानी देखिए, दिखाइए. आप डोनेट भी कर सकते हैं. जितना आप देंगे उतना ही लाइफ बॉय भी देगा. ये भी नहीं है कि 1 या 2 की बात कर रहे हैं हम. 20 लाख 5 साल की उम्र से कम बच्चे हर साल मरते हैं. सो कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प अ चाइल्ड रीच 5.
Thank you so much. That's it.
A passionate call for sanitation in the